There are several duplicated elements found across the pages of Mr. Dunn's biology class site. These elements were quickly and easily duplicated within Weebly, without the need to involve construction workers or even little animated GIFs of construction workers. How did Mr. Dunn and his class do that? It's easy to move and copy elements, as well as entire columns, from one page to another. Hover over an element until you see the blue control box appear around it. Then click on the arrow in the upper left corner. It's here that you can move an element or copy it to another page on your site that you select. When you move or copy an element, we automatically take you to the page to which the element has been copied or moved. From here, you can position the element exactly where you want it, simply by grabbing it at the center top and moving it into place. You can even copy or move an entire set of columns if you want to take action with more than one element. To do this, click on any of the blue dividers within a column. This will bring up the same control box we saw previously, except now it surrounds the entire set of columns. For this example, we're going to move this set of columns to a different page, simply because we accidentally added all these elements to the wrong page initially. One last note before we go. If you're simply looking to copy all or most of the elements on a page to an entirely new page, the easiest way to do that is go to Pages, find the page you want to copy, and click Copy. Then you just change the title of this copied page, move it in the navigation menu where you want it, and edit the page to your liking. And that's how you do that.